Good afternoon, everyone. I am the reporter number 1. The question number 1. A Filipino family in California wants to send a balikbayan box to their relatives in the Philippines. The box is in the shape of a cube with each side measuring 20 inches. To protect the box from damage and rain, the family wants to completely wrap it in a plastic sheeting. What is the total surface area of the box that needs to be covered? Now, to get the answer to the question, the step 1 is to recall the formula for the surface area of a cube. The formula of a cube is SA is equal to 6x squared. The step 2 is substitute the given side length. If substitute po natin yung S, gagawin po natin 20 which is yung given side length natin. So makakuha po natin is SA is equal to 6, 20 squared. Step 3, square the side length. I-multiply po natin the number itself po ito, which is 20 times 20. Makukuha po natin yung answer na 400. So step 4 naman po, yung multiply po natin, which is yung SA is 6 multiply to 400. Makukuha po natin yung answer na 2,400. Now, the total surface area to be covered is 2,400 inches squared. Question number 2. Aling Nena, who owns a local sari-sari store, wants to create a display stand for a new brand of canned goods. She plans to use a large cubic block of styrofoam and cover all its places with colorful wrapping paper. The styrofoam block has a side length of 50 centimeters. What is the total area of wrapping paper she needs to buy to completely cover the block? Gagawin po natin yung ginawa natin sa question number 1. Hanapin po natin yung formula ng surface of area of cube, which is SA is equal to 6s squared. At yung S po is yung side length po natin. Yung step 2 po is substitute the given side length. Yung S gagawin natin 50, which is yung side length po natin is 50 centimeters. Yung step 3 naman po, square the side length. I-multiply po natin yung sarili niyang number. So, 50 times 50 is makuha po natin, 50 times 50 is makuha po natin yung 2,500. Step 4 naman po, multiply na po natin. SA is equal to 6, multiply to 2,500, makuha po natin yung sagot na 15,000. And yung final answer po natin is total wrapping paper needed is 15,000 centimeters squared. Yun lang po.